How's that cookie, Kendall? Huh? How you like that cookie? Good cookie, right? Look at your messy little face. Are you telling us how much you like the cookie? Say delicious cookie. Cookie, cookie, cookie. Say, I love you, cookie. Huh, you got your Cookie Monster bib on to eat your cookie that is sloppy, sloppy, sloppy. Oh, we're gonna rub it on the tray. That's awesome, right? Turn it over, try that end for a minute. Careful how much you put in there, baby. And try the other end again. What? Oh, honey girl. Oh, honey girl.